Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can make an account primary on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the top, you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to make an account primary on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. You're gonna find all of the settings related to your PlayStation 5. Here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account. Go ahead and click on users and account. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, other. Go ahead and click on other. And then right here you're gonna find console sharing and offline play, restore licenses. And here you can sign out from your PlayStation account. Go ahead and click on console sharing and offline play. This will let you allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. Go ahead and click on this option, and then right here you're gonna find the option to enable the this feature. So right here, as you can see guys, in my case it's already enabled. That's why I have the option to disable it. So if it's not enabled yet, you're gonna find enable here in the bottom. Just click on it and then you're gonna be able to make this account primary on this PlayStation 5. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.